So to enable hotspot on your Galaxy Z Flip 7, simply go to settings. Let me just go back and close everything. So let's go to settings, and then under settings, go to connections. And then under connections, you should see mobile hotspot and tethering. Tap on that, and then you can see mobile hotspot here. You can turn it on from here. Now, it may or may ask you whether you want to restore network name and password. So you can see that's going to turn on mobile hotspot. So you can always go into the mobile hotspot settings and check out your hotspot name, password, band, if you have auto hotspot on, and all that stuff. Okay. You can also generate a QR code for your hotspot so that when you want people to sign into your hotspot, you can just give them that and they can scan your QR code and get connected to your hotspot. Thanks for watching and good luck.